All right, let's start the session. Welcome everyone. Welcome to another um, live stream. Welcome. Up a little bit. Hope you're doing great. I'm gonna paste the link for the community in the chat. All right. So starting by US dollar Canadian, guys. I'm gonna start by US dollar Canadian because I just entered on a buy on this pair. It's pretty straightforward. You already know why. Daily nice consolidation for about 14-15 days, coming right to daily DMA. We had a rejection. Pretty nice drop to the levels as well. You can see 3 hour was also played around here, and 30 minutes also bullish. Before New York session, we had a stop hunt to the DMA as well, followed by a bullish engulfing. So when I just opened the chart, I checked them real quick and I saw that this is kind of a time, and I entered. So if you wish to take a look at it, feel free to do so. And yep, so that's about our first trade. USD JPY, you can see that in 30 minutes we are now below averages and the level. Looking at 15 minutes, we have a solid cross down too, and there is a chance for price to continue pushing down to this level. They made the low, came back up, playing around it, and then it can continue pushing down. I don't trust the bullish too much. They had pretty nice run with just one rejection, correction, man. And I think they're gonna be a little bit, I don't know, this can also happen actually. You can see. So yeah, actually that's a lesson. But this one broke DMAs and then came up and then continued to rise. This just retraced to DMA. I wanna wait for this. And then looking at US30, yesterday I closed this on break even. Well, it got closed. My entry was here, and it was against the plan. I had to write my journal forever for an hour about why I took this trade and why I'm wrong about it. We weren't wrong about the intra-hour, intraday, but overall, we should be continuing to buy. Anyway, I wouldn't enter here because you can see on 3 hours nowhere, in 30 minutes is nowhere, on 15 minutes was also crossed down. So maybe later on I could have entered, but I just had my stops and break even, and this one hit it before even this one comes up there, and it continued to rise for today. It is right at that level, so I think now we're gonna see more of a stop hunt at 9:30 and a slow move if they want to continue making highs. The exact 53,200 price that I kept calling it from last week did happen. Right now we are at 53,290. So that's a solid analysis. It did actually 53,300 as well. So that's about that. And yesterday we also had the Euro Canadian trade, as you can see here. I'm gonna continue a little bit to see what happened. Oh, I was supposed to add these. Sorry. So my entries here, my stop loss 35 pips, and 143,500. It's 1, 2, 3 level above it. I want to put it there. It's gonna be a 1 to 4. So we talked about these two already. I'm still into Euro Canadian. I didn't touch it. No break even, nothing. So we're still going. Then GBP CAD. I think it's gonna rise just like Canadian dollars unless all GBPs kind of see a shocking drop. But the thing about GBP CAD here is like a little bit too extended for me to enter. Like 3 hour is completely far from it. 1 hour has like two different level distance. So all of that makes me want to wait. Or I'm already into EuroCAD and UCAD, so it's what matters is that I'm taking the move, right? Let's take a look at gold. Below DMAs on daily, it's hitting right here. Yesterday they have a hit on the sphere as well. Currently at the level, they made the low, came back up. Nothing that I wanna trade, but I think it's gonna push down because of the daily. But nothing for me. I wanna put it on red light. And GBP just like UJ that I was talking, it doesn't look like it's gonna push. So I'm gonna bring GJ and UJ, both of them down. So far we only have these on green light, meaning there is momentum and there is a clear direction which you can trade, and then the rest is not. So let's take a look at Euro USD as well. 3 hour bearish, 1 hour bullish, daily is bearish. That's why it's in the red light. Pretty much same with GBP USD2. We talked about this too. Euro JPY. I'm just looking at daily. I don't want to touch it. How price and averages are kind of inside each other. It's enough for me not to take any. And let's take a look at USD CHF. Looks bullish, to be honest with you. Looking at 3 hour is kind of not great. In 1 hour I can see some sort of M formation at the level 2 and it's bearish. Crust is bearish in there. Yeah, nothing. Euro AUD. It's either has to come to the yearly moving average or it has to come below here for me to do anything on it. Nothing really. And this one as well. AUD USD, not interested. NZD USD looking sell here. Yearly moving average is a bit far. The 3 hour also agrees, but not with 1 hour and 30 minutes. There is still things left to do. And GBP NZD at the high with the all averages bullish, candles above yearly moving average. And it's at the high, so definitely can have a little bit of a retracement, but I do like this bullish engulfing. It does look like that it might be ready to go. Euro NZD also looking really good. I like it. Just 1 hour didn't crossed up yet. Between all of these NZDs and AUDs, I think the Euro NZD is the best one, and it needs about 40 pips, so I'm gonna get into that. Euro NZD. With 42 pips. So let's have this guy here, copy link. And then for the TP, it's 1, 2, 3, would be 2.02340. About 140 pips. Oh, and I was supposed to do that. Yeah. So this one, other than so this one, other than 1 hour, all of them looks in the same direction, so I'm gonna push it up. Oil dropped to $70 and playing around there. Let's see it. I don't see anything on it. And Bitcoins, I posted it on social media as well, that it looks like the Bitcoins bull run, or at least the altcoins, are about to start. What happened to this? Okay. And you can see that it is gaining since we spoke about it last week around here. It's starting to gain momentum. Not only Bitcoin, but also altcoins also. But let's see how they're gonna survive around here on DMA. All good. So we have 3 here. Call to action. So we're gonna do symbols off. Since you're gonna delete them later. Okay, so USD CAD we're gonna buy. CAD. Also buy. And Euro NZD also buy. Alright, so that's basically the trades right now. We entered EuroCAD yesterday. We entered Euro NZD and USD CAD today. Okay, that looks good too. Portugal got eliminated. I was wrong on that. For US30, you can look at it. Check 930. Let's see if it's gonna be a boring Tuesday. Oh, Alvin is here. I'm not sure I see Alvin is online. I'm not sure if he can join though. Let me message. Alright, I message him. Now to make a lobby though. Oh, he joined. Yes, he's here. How you doing, bro? Which one is the mic? Bro, can you hear me? Everybody else be like, fuck. Yeah, the V was right. Let's find Alvin. Oh, that's Alvin. Hi, Alvin. Ouch. Oh, he killed us both. Looks like US cat is in drawdown. Unlucky fly. Trades real quick. Okay, so EuroCat been in profit and came back down to entry, and USD CAD is on drawdown. Euros are looking solid. We're okay so far. It looks like everyone's gone. Yep. Seriously. Wanted to run away. So bad at aiming. I heard all bots. Looks like it's 9:30. Let's get to the charts real quick. Take a look at US30s and all, and then we'll come back. Sorry. So let's take a look at US30. Yeah, as expected, looks like stop onto DMA is gonna be that push after 9:30. So that's interesting. Looking at UCAT, they're okay. Yeah, it's at 1 hour and 30 minutes. We have a DMA down there. There's a level 2. Not too stressed about that. EuroCAD also looking fine. GBP is looking like it's starting to come down a bit. But Euron's a big close bullish. So nothing really we can continue monitoring. I'm gonna fix the template again. No, I messed up everything. Hopefully the camera is alright. Kill the other guy properly. Trying to be close range because this gun is close range. Ouch. Nice. I didn't even play half of the game. Looks like the volume is coming to the market a bit. Hey, what's up, Black Bro? How you doing? Bought some. How did the other bot listen? It's fine. Come on. Got first. Jazz, GPT, up there. UCAT completely in drawdown. EuroCAT coming down. Euro NZD pushing up. So continue to hold. I'm gonna stay here for another 10 minutes if something happened. If not, we're just gonna call it a day. We're gonna hold these 3 trades for tomorrow to see what's up. I'm gonna get out of this one. I'm gonna do an RMX. A 2008 Kia Optima. That's his name. Nobody comes here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Seriously? Work hard for that, please. Alright, let's call it a session. I gotta go stretch. And we're gonna hold these trades. Euro NZD looking nice. Euro CAD looking nice too. Hopefully, US dollar Canadian wouldn't do much of a crazy stop hunt, and we're gonna survive it. But we'll see tomorrow what's gonna happen. And until tomorrow, like this.